In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Say, O disbelievers, I do not worship what you worship, nor do you worship what I worship, nor do I serve what you serve, nor do you serve what I serve. You have your way, and I have my way. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. When there comes Allah's victory and conquest, and you see the people entering Allah's religion in multitudes, then celebrate the praise of your Lord, and seek His forgiveness. He is the acceptor of repentance. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Condemned are the hands of Abi Lahab, and he is condemned. His wealth did not avail him, nor did what he acquired. He will burn in a flaming fire. And his wife, the firewood carrier. Around her neck is a rope of thorns. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Say, He is Allah, the One. Allah, the Absolute. He begets not, nor was He begotten. And there is nothing comparable to Him. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Say, I take refuge with the Lord of Daybreak, from the evil of what He created, and from the evil of the darkness as it gathers, and from the evil of those who practice sorcery, and from the evil of an envious when he envies. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind, the King of mankind, the God of mankind, from the evil of the sneaky whisperer, who whispers into the hearts of people, from among jinn and among people.